This model kit review is of the DD445 Fletcher. This is a US destroyer and it's a 1/350th scale model. I actually like this scale for ships. There are the dimensions. It's by Tamiya. We've got some pictures here of the side of the ship from both sides. So this is a smaller ship, not as large as some of the aircraft carriers. There it looks like, that's what it looks like from above. And let's have a look inside here. We have some stickers. We'll have to look to see if those are going to go on like a display stand or something like that. And we'll go through all the stuff. Let's have a look at our, well, let's look at the hull first. So in this package we have some of these little poly caps. I guess it's going to be for guns, so that the guns can turn. Here's our hull, and that hull is beautifully molded. Got some molded in lines here. Got some space here for the propeller shafts and for our rudder, but beautifully molded here. Now these sprues here, we've got, this looks like part of our display stand here. That's where the sticker will go, I guess. We've got our guns and some vents, exhausts there. We've got some, looks like some weapons there, and a lifeboat over there. So we actually have two of the same here, exactly the same. Got a little searchlight, look at that detail there. And then part of the display stand, we've got another little lifeboat here. And these are, I guess, the little hoists that hold up the lifeboat. But very well molded. We've got lots of little details and lots of parts there. Let's have a look over here. So here we've got, that's probably part of our exhaust there, and some parts for the gun battery. This is going to be part of the bridge, I'd imagine. And you can see the little ladders that have been molded in there. And then here's the deck of the ship with some little chains molded in for the anchor. There's part of our exhaust there, and some of the different levels of the ship, all beautifully molded, nice and crisp and clean. No real mold lines. Tiny little piece of flashing there. It's a little unusual for Tamiya, but beautifully molded. So let's have a look at our instructions here. We've got some details here about the ship. And then we've got some instructions. So let's start off with here. Start off with the rudders and the propellers. Mount all of that. That's putting the stand together, and that's where the sticker goes. These are the colors needed. So next you put the hull on with the anchors. You start to build the bridge. That's called the foredeck house. The poly caps go on there so those things can turn. We've got some guns there. Next we've got the masts, and all the rest of the guns are being mounted on the deck. There's the main deck house going on there. Lifeboats, and then the aft of the ship, but the exhaust funnels A and B, as well as some more lifeboat hoists there. Next we put on more guns and machine guns, as well as the main guns. and then it tells you you're going to put, I guess these are depth charges here at the back. But over here it tells you you're going to make some sprues into some thin pieces for some rigging. There are quite a few pieces that apparently are not used. There's a list over there. So on this side, it's a little backwards here. They've got the paint and decal guide. Not a lot of decals on this ship here. And here are the decals, and I guess you've got different numbers depending on which ship you want to build. And here is another piece of paper with some more details here. If you're going to do the camouflage like that. So that'll be a great model. Not a typical Tamiya quality. Good one to build.